Hindi mo pa rin ba nada-download yung free reviewer? Pwede kang pumunta sa website, callcentertrainingtips.com. Yung link nandun din sa bio ng aking social media page. Pagdating mo sa callcentertrainingtips.com, ito yung makikita mo, Call Center Training Tips, Learn Skills for High-Paying Jobs, written for ambitious introverts. So, pag sa taas, home, lessons, videos about contact training books. So, kahit anong kailangan mo, gusto mong magbasa ng lessons, click mo yung lessons, gusto mo ng videos, click mo yung videos, about, gusto mong malaman tungkol sa amin, gusto mong mag-contact, gusto mo ng training, gusto mo ng books, lahat yan available. So sa baba, kita mo kagad, free reviewer. I'll email you my best lessons, free reviewers, announcements, and opportunities that I don't publicly post on this site and my social networks. So click mo yan, get free reviewer, get the best free call center reviewer ever created. Free download, libre lang. So, lalagay mo lang first name, so Kevin, email address, download now. Pag-click mo ng download now, thank you for subscribing. Please remember to click confirm. So, we sent the guide to your email address. Remember to mark Kevin at Call Center Training Tips as a safe sender. Please check your email and confirm address. May makikita kang email, ito yung nakalagay. Kiklik mo lang confirm. Pag hindi mo nakuha yung email, pwede mo akong kontakin. So, punta ka sa email mo, inbox. Nasa inbox, wala sa inbox. Gagawin mo, more, tapos click mo yung all mail. Okay, so, pagdating mo sa Gmail, makikita mo, please confirm your subscription. Thanks for signing up. So, gaya nung dun sa page kanina, click mo yung confirm. Okay, kita mo, subscription confirm. Thanks for confirming your subscription, Kevin. Balik ka sa inbox. Click mo yung all mail. Tapos mag-aantay ka lang ng konti. May dadating na email. Pagkatapos mo mag-sign up, may dadating kagad na email. So after mag-confirm, 3:58, 4 a.m. meron na kagad sa mga 2 minutes. Ito yung subject ko. Welcome to Call Center Training Tips Study Group. Hi, you're now part of my study group. My name is Kevin and I write lessons about confidence, communication skills, and career advancement. I work as a website development project manager and online business manager for US clients. Tapos a little more about my intro. I share lessons, stories, and answer questions online as my primary form of community service. So, and so on and so forth. Pagdating mo dito sa baba, ayun, download free reviewer. Yun. Click, loading. Medyo mabagal internet ko ngayon. Okay. Free reviewer, yan, link to free reviewer. Ito yung folder. So, gaya ng sinabi ko, ito yung free reviewer na PDF. Merong EPUB version. In case gusto mong magbasa-basa sa mobile device, kailangan mo lang ng EPUB reader. List ng target companies, opening answers, sales module, self-knowledge activity. Ito, this is an activity about giving instructions, writing before speaking. Sinishare ko yan sa aking mga tutorial students. Job application tracker. So pag mag-a-apply ka na, dito mo lalagay yung company, location, dito mo lilista yung interview mo. Interview 1 hanggang interview 16. Final interview. Pag napuno mo to tapos hindi ka pa rin na-hire, tutulungan kita personally. Balik tayo sa free reviewer. Ito bago to, assessments. Relates passing guide for BPO applicants. VAR. Meron na ring Versant. Tapos for different call center jobs, customer service guide, sales guide, tsaka technical support guide. Tapos yung general BPO assessment passing guide, job fit, tsaka work culture goals para hindi kayo makukulture shock sa call center. Tapos yung mga personality test. So yan lahat ng kailangan nyo para sa call center work. Kompleto na yan. Magdadagdag pa ako. Makikita nyo lang. Basta save nyo lang yung link na nasa email. Tapos aside kasi doon, mga matatanggap kayong mga tips, information about sa group sessions, kung gusto nyo sumali doon. Hindi naman required, pero kung gusto nyo sumali. Anyway, bukas ulit.